Alright, so we about to crack it open, y'all. Y'all ready? Here it comes. So you unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's clean in here. It's actually pretty clean. Under here is going to be the heat pipes. I got to take this off to get to the heat pipes because the CPU is like right underneath here. Here go the RAM slot, y'all. Then you just take it off. Ignoring me. Cosby said, "Hey, from Paris, what's up?" Bro, from Paris, France. Okay. What's good, bro? About to clean out my CPU. Alright, so this is the first time this one has been off, so.
Take it.
Okay.
Today only make it clean.
Here we go. Bet. Let's get it. That's a nice size fan. Dusty as hell, but not really. But yeah, we got that cleaned off. Now we just need to clean the processor off.
Coop, you really gotta stop letting those people with no profile pictures come up on top of your shit, bro.
Those be the interesting ones, you feel me?
They be the randomest people, the
Yeah,
sussest people. From like Russia.
Like I haven't cussed all day, and that was the first time I cussed, and it was at him. Because I'm sitting there talking, I'm telling Coop something, and he's like, "Hey, you speak Spanish?" I'm like, "No, nigga, he just said he only speak English. Shut the fuck up." That sounds like this to me.
No, it's Fruit Loops.
Oh. Shit.
That shit was dusty.
It is. I like that though. I love when it's dusty. It gets me horny. It gets me horny low key, bro.
That's nasty.
No, it gets me horny.
What up?
Smell like work. What up, Quan Yeezy? You say 0?
Zero's high. He's not speaking like a human.
Great snack and apple. Hell yeah, bro. Apples be smacking. Apples be smacking, bro.
Stay like in shape while I'm in Mobile, which that's like basically impossible.
Man, just do nigga nastics.
Yeah.
Nigga
Get on the ground, do some push-ups.
Nigga nastics. Just do nigga nastics.
I need to be running like 3 miles.
You can still do that in Mobile. So it's like, fuck it, I'll register it here. But if you get stationed in Virginia, you definitely don't want to, or California, you definitely don't want to register in those 2 places.
Now that I think about it, I might end up getting a car like at the end of the city that we're going to, and I just sit there for a while.
Yeah, that's another thing. Like if they tell you don't have to report until this day, take all that time. Take all that time.
That's what everybody says.
Yeah. Take all that time, do whatever the fuck you want to do, but remember you gotta take a piss test as soon as you get there. So I just be trying to drop gems to people because I fucked up a lot, so people don't have to fuck up. So I could just tell them, hey, look, don't do this. Don't do this shit.
Nah, you should look her up.
When I tell you, one of God's greatest creations.
Alright, cool. Check it.
You so bad, yeah. And baby, I want you so bad, yeah. You so bad, yeah.
I heard my shit echo. That shit was funny as hell. What?
I hate when this shit does that when I'm home.
Results may vary, guys. You don't always need a whole bunch of paste on here.
I'm gonna tap back.
Yeah. Wait, you're getting a new phone, though?
Black Friday. I'm back. Fuck that.
This Black Friday was done, bro.
He talking about 2020 Black Friday.
You talking about 2020?
Mm-hmm.
You said.
You heard
I
him
thought
right.
you said Friday though. Just regular Friday.
And if this bitch breaks, great. It's just I can't update this bitch no more.
Why? Cause it's so old.
Cause it's an iPhone 6. And you know how iPhone be. They try to fucking make you buy a new phone. They be like, hey bitch, you a little bit too behind, nigga.
We need another installment of money.
Like you want iOS 13? Buy a new phone.
You better pay.
She taken. That's Quan Yeezy's wife. That's Quan your wife.
Yeah.
Who you talking about, AJ?
Say he about to punch on you. Who you talking about, AJ?
Got hard and everybody was laughing at me. Then I ran home crying.
That's kind of fucked.
I've never heard that one. I've never heard that story.
It's true. I just don't like to drag it up because I was actually sad. That was the first time.
I've never. That's never. No. Like, there's this guy. Like, I'm still friends with him now. And, like, he was doing pull-ups or whatever. And, like, for some reason, like, the more pull-ups he did, the harder his dick got.
Huh?
Every time he did the pull-ups, it was just going further and further up, and everybody was like, it was real bad. But nobody laughed at it. So I wouldn't laugh.
He said, that shit was fucked up, but also funny at the same time when I think about it. Cause she was twerking on my booty, and then she started rubbing on my shit. And then she got up, and then all I heard was, hey, that nigga dick hard.
Dang.
I was like, oh shit.
They ain't shit.
That's why I don't really fuck with girls. Like,
Fuck.
I
What the
started being
hell?
like, fuck y'all, man. Y'all evil. Everything happens to me every time I try to fuck with y'all.
Shit, I would have stood up and been like, hell yeah, my dick. Oh, you see that dick?
So, Coop family, we are struggling with the last obstacle here. The RAM. Okay, I think that's how we do it.
This nigga Coop strong as fuck.
Say that Snapchat.
So we're actually finished with the build. We're just gonna go ahead and clean the backside off of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and we'll put the backs. And everyone here.
What a tragic